Are you a little bit afraid of 2023 and what that real estate market's going to look like for you? Listen, we're all looking at it. I'm looking at it. Can we actually go out and crush it next year, or is it just going to be painful? I just got invited to speak at an event next week on November 15th, and I can't tell you how I'm excited. The lineup is crazy amazing. I can't wait to sit and listen to these guys because I want to figure out, and I think a lot of people I heard are going want to figure out, how can you make an extra 100 grand next year, 200 grand, 500,000, an extra $1 million next year when everybody else is going to be dying on the vine and leaving the business. There's going to be more business for those that stay in the real estate business and use the strategies that other successful people have done. And the lineup is crazy good. Mary Fitzgerald from Selling Sunset, Gary Gold, who sold the Playboy Mansion and continues to crush it in luxury. Tammy Pardee, who's just crushing the numbers in Silicon Beach. I mean, the list, it's crazy. Go check this out. Hit the link below at Thrive or Die to see some of the people that are going to be at this event sharing their best strategies. I'm going to pop up there for a few minutes. I mean, there's so many speakers. I don't know how long I'll have, but I'll share a couple of things I intend to do next year to make sure the business is great. But I'm really more excited about sitting in the audience and learning from so many great people. I hope to see you there. Come up and say hello if you are, and have a great day. Click on the button. Listen, $150, it's cheap to put an extra 100, 200, 500, or $1 million in your pocket next year and one day. That's it. All right. I hope to see you there. Have a great day.